Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we've uploaded any kind of video on the channel, but that's completely fine. Expect these kind of times of absence, this really long gap. Expect this kind of stuff here in this channel. But we're back, and we're back with HD. This is the first ever video that I'm hopefully going to be able to upload in HD, and you're hopefully going to see 1080p 60. So better than the former 720p. It was just 720p, not 720p 60. Now it's 1080p 60. So giant leap forward, and let's hope we're gonna keep going like this. But today we're going to be doing a brand new video about WhatsApp. So if you don't know about WhatsApp, it's basically an app in which you can communicate with people. So I'm gonna be showing you how you could download the app and go through a step-by-step process and give you just a very quick walkthrough through it because I don't have all day to show you everything. There are so many features in this app. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading WhatsApp, obviously. So you can download WhatsApp from these three platforms. Of course, you have Android, Google Play, iOS App Store, Windows. Of course, I have Windows here, so I could just click download here. So it's going to actually open the App Store here, so that's completely fine. We could just open the App Store right now. Give it a very quick second right here, and it should be able to drop us in at the WhatsApp page. And yep, we're just gonna have to log in. Very quick minute, and I'll come back. Okay, now it finally drops us into the page where we're going to be basically just press and install and wait for it to install. Obviously, let's just wait for it to show up to show the whole entire download menu here. Okay, click on install. Obviously, give it a quick minute, 2-3 minutes, something like that, and it should be able to be fully installed on your computer. And yeah, it's now starting our download, and then I'm going to show you how you could basically connect your phone through this app, because there is no way you could obviously use this app without your phone. So you need a phone in order to do this. Luckily I have one right here, so the result is going to be much better. Okay, so once you're done with that, you just have to go to library after you open the Microsoft Store, because it's going to exit out of the downloading process. So I want to go to library here, and then you're going to see what's up here, fully installed after it's been fully installed, obviously. So you just hit open, and it's going to be right here. You're obviously going to see a QR code, so you just turn on your phone, open WhatsApp, and then there's a whole other tutorial about this stuff. I don't have another camera regarding the phone, but it's perfectly fine. You just go to your you just go to WhatsApp, and then you tap on the three dots, and there's going to be like a WhatsApp web section or a connected device. I forgot because of language reasons. I have a phone in a different language, but that's perfectly fine. You just put your phone into the QR code here, and just give it a very quick minute. It's going to be connecting. As you can see, it's downloading recent messages. You just gotta give it a quick minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes at max, probably. Just give it a quick minute right here, and then you're going to wait until all of your messages and all of your contacts are going to be saved to your computer. Very simple stuff. And you're basically good to go after that. So I'm going to pause, and I'm going to wait until the stuff ends. So after that, you finally have your contacts fully, placed on the chat section, and that means you have officially connected the phone to your computer via WhatsApp. So of course, using the QR code, you connect your contacts all the way from your phone to your PC. Simple as that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.